Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making sure your phone and account are ready. Sign into the Google account you want to use. This is where contacts will live. Once signed in, go to Settings, then Accounts, select Google and turn on Contacts Sync so entries are allowed to transfer. You're doing this now to avoid partial backups later. Syncing ensures future changes propagate automatically. Make sure battery saver is off and you have a reliable connection, so the initial upload can complete without interruption. Next, move any local contacts into your Google account. Open Contacts, find Manage Contacts or Settings, and check where contacts are stored. If they are on phone or SIM, export a VCF file. Once exported, import that VCF and choose your Google account as the destination, or use the built-in Move/Copy option to transfer contacts directly to Google. This step consolidates entries into one syncable source. After importing, trigger a manual sync in Accounts to push data to Finally, verify the backup by visiting Contacts, Google.com, or opening the Contacts app and selecting your Google account contacts. You should see all entries. If anything is missing, make sure Sync ran. Go to Settings, right arrow Accounts, right arrow Google, right arrow Sync now. If Sync fails, clear the Contacts app cache or remove and re-add the Google account to refresh permissions. One key troubleshooting tip: check that contacts were imported into the Google account, not phone. If not, re-import directly into Google and sync again.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.